In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Google Calendar Web Dark Mode. If you spend a lot of time looking at your calendar on a computer, switching to dark mode can make things easier on your eyes, especially at night or in low light environments. It can also give your calendar a cleaner look that matches the dark theme you might already be using on your operating system or browser. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account whose calendar you want to adjust. Once the page loads, you should see your calendar view with your events, along with the usual Google menu at the top. Now, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the settings menu. This is where Google keeps most of the customization options for calendar. Click on that gear icon to open the quick settings panel. When the quick settings panel appears on the right-hand side, you'll see several options that let you change how your calendar looks and behaves. Take a moment to scroll through if you're curious, but for dark mode, you'll want to focus on the section labeled Appearance. Go ahead and click on Appearance to open the theme options. Within the Appearance section, you'll see choices for how your calendar interface is displayed. One of these options will be dark. This is the setting that changes the background and interface elements from the standard light colors to darker shades that are easier on the eyes. Click on Dark. As soon as you select Dark, your Google Calendar should instantly switch over to the dark mode theme. The background will turn darker, text will adjust for contrast, and event colors will stand out more against the dark backdrop. Take a moment to scan around your calendar, check the main calendar grid, the side panel where your different calendars are listed, and the top navigation bar. Everything should now follow the dark theme. If you ever decide that dark mode isn't right for you, or it feels harder to read in bright environments, you can switch back at any time by repeating these same steps. Open calendar.google.com, click the gear icon, choose Appearance, and then select a different theme such as Light or System Default if it's available. That's all you need to do to use Google Calendar Web Dark Mode. It's a quick change, but it can make a noticeable difference in comfort during long sessions of planning, scheduling, or checking your events. Feel free to experiment with it over a few days and see if it fits your daily routine.